If you wish to loop video in your CapCut, launch a CapCut application in your device. Select on a project or one from your draft. Now over here, once the video is loaded, to loop a video, what you can do is select on the video clip that is in the timeline. Then at the bottom, you will find some of the tool. Scroll until you see the option of duplicate and tap on it. Now you can actually duplicate clip as much as you require or as much as you want the loop to exist. If you give it a play, you will see that the perfect loop has been created in your CapCut. So this is how you actually loop a video in CapCut. Also make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is at optimum speed, as if your Wi-Fi is lagging, some of this feature will not work. Or next thing that you can do is press and hold onto your application, then check out app info. From here, you need to tap on force stop to force restart your application, then check out storage and cache and tap on clear cache. That's it for the video as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorial.